If you're tired of carrying multiple microphones for different setups, the BOYA Magic might be the solution you've been looking for. Now this mic may look simple, but it transforms into 4 different forms, making it incredibly versatile for various shooting scenarios. As a solo creator, I love tools that simplify my workflow, and this mic just does that. In this video guys, I'll show you the BOYA Magic in action and how it can improve your content creation process. And I'll be using this mic throughout this video so you can judge the audio quality for yourself. Now big thanks to BOYA for sponsoring this video. Here's what comes with the BOYA Magic. A charging case, which fun fact doubles as a mic, but more on that later, 2 transmitters and 2 receivers. One receiver connects to your smartphone, available in USB-C or Lightning version, while the other uses a 3.5mm cable for your camera. You also get a mic cover and 2 windshields, one designed for the charging case and the other for the tiny transmitter. A USB to USB-C charging cable is included, and everything fits perfectly into a handy storage bag. Now BOYA also threw in their mini tripod stand, which is super useful for stationary recordings. The BOYA Magic lives up by its name, transforming into 4 mic setups: clip-on, handheld, desktop, and on camera. So let's take a closer look at each. First up is the clip-on setup. You can simply just take the transmitter out of the charging case and clip it onto your shirt for a completely hands-free recording. What's really cool is that with the receiver that is compatible with smartphones, magnetically attaches to the back of the charging case, keeping everything organized. When I'm ready to record with my smartphone, I can quickly grab the receiver and connect it to my phone. Now the receiver doesn't need its own battery, it draws power directly from the phone, which is super convenient since I never have to worry about charging it. Also, the receiver and transmitter pair automatically, so no settings or adjustment required. If I want to use it with my mirrorless camera, I can connect the other transmitter using the 3.5mm cable. Again, the device auto pair and no gain adjustments are needed. And you'll know when it's connected when the blue light turns solid, confirming a successful pairing. And this setup is perfect for talking head videos, interviews, or content creation where you need the freedom to move around without dealing with tangled cables. So I'm now using the clip-on setup. I have the transmitter attached to my shirt and the receiver connected to my iPhone, and this is how it sounds like. We're currently outdoors and I'm standing on a bridge, and we do have lots of cars passing by. This way we can also test the noise canceling feature. So right now I have it disabled, but when I press this button, now noise canceling is enabled and you should hear less of the background noise and my voice should be more present. Now what's really cool about this setup is that I can talk hands-free and be further away from the camera. I don't need any cables, and this is great if you shoot a lot of behind the scenes, or maybe you need to demonstrate something, and I can be as far as 100 meters and still capture good audio quality. And this doesn't just work with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but also with a mirrorless camera. Now I still have noise canceling enabled, so let's now disable it. And this is how it sounds like without the noise cancellation on. Next is the handheld setup, ideal for interviews or if you prefer more a traditional way of speaking directly to the camera. In handheld mode, you only need to place the top transmitter inside. It's not necessary to add the second one. I can then connect the receiver, whether it's from my smartphone or my camera, and simply a long press on the charging case button powers everything on and it pairs automatically. Then I simply hold the microphone like I'm doing right now to capture clear, clean audio. And I like using the phone cover to minimize popping sound. Now this setup works perfectly for talking head videos like the one I'm filming right now, or any content where you want to feel more engaging and conversational on camera. For a home YouTube studio or any content created on a desk or workstation, a desktop setup definitely is the way to go. Now personally, I found that mounting the microphone on a mini tripod stand using the built-in 1/4 screw hole at the base is super convenient for voiceovers. Now another option I've used is mounting the mic on a simple boom arm. It keeps the mic out of the frame while still capturing clean professional audio. And not only is this great for talking head videos when creating YouTube content, but it's also been super useful for Zoom calls. So just to give you a quick demonstration, I'm pretending to do a Zoom call, and right now I'm using the camera on my MacBook Pro, which isn't so great, and I'm using the BOYA Magic as an overhead mic, as you can see. And what's great about this setup is that I can keep the mic out of the frame, giving me a clean look. So it's about this far away from my mouth. I have the receiver plugged into my laptop and then just simply selected it under the microphone settings. So just to show you the difference, right now we're using the BOYA Magic. Let's now switch over to the built-in mic on the MacBook Pro. And this is how it sounds like using the built-in mic on the MacBook Pro. Probably not as good. Let's now switch back to the BOYA Magic. And this is how it sounds like using the BOYA Magic, using it as an overhead mic. And finally, there's the on-camera setup, perfect for vlogging or run and gun shooting. And for that, I used the ball head, which I simply detached from the mini tripod and mounted it on the camera's cold shoe mount. And to the side, I can securely insert the receiver to have everything in one place. And this is also ideal for capturing behind the scenes or when interviewing people as a solo operator. This way you can just point and shoot and capture clean audio that way. Now we are just getting started because the BOYA Magic microphone has even more to offer beyond its unique transformable design. Each transmitter weighs only 7 grams and it's super slim, making it easy to clip onto your shirt or use the magnets for flexible positioning. It also doesn't weigh down your shirt and its compact size keeps it discreet, letting viewers focus on you. With 6 hours of battery life on each transmitter and 500 milliamp charging case, you can record all day without worrying about running out of power. Plus, you can even charge it while recording. Now, the BOYA Magic features AI noise cancellation, reducing background noise by up to -40 decibels while keeping your voice crystal clear. And you can choose between weak and strong inside the BOYA Central app to match your environment for optimal performance. A solid green LED light lets you know when noise cancellation is activated. Now, for more customization options, you can connect the receiver to your smartphone and use the BOYA Central app to make further adjustments. You can tweak things like output gain, switch between mono, stereo, or safety track recording, mute, and select different AI noise cancellation strengths to suit your needs. Alright, so let's do a little vlog test. I have the BOYA Magic attached on top of my Sony ZV-E1 camera, and this is how it sounds like. I'm about an arm length away from the camera. Now you're also going to be hearing a lot of background noise because I'm close to a road, and I want to use this opportunity to test out the noise canceling feature. So right now I have it disabled, but when I press this button up here, now usually I like to add noise cancellation in the edit, but if you want to skip that process, you can use the BOYA Magic to do so. So let me now disable the noise cancelling feature. And this is how it sounds like without the noise cancelling feature. Also, what's great with the audio meter, you can easily monitor the recording levels and adjust accordingly for the best sound quality. To deliver the best audio, this mic features a smart limiter to smooth out loud spikes and a safety track recorded at -12 decibel to avoid the clipping. And this is perfect for capturing consistent sound while filming, so you don't have to worry about sudden distortions or unexpected noise during your recordings. Now, as you can see, the BOYA Magic is loaded with features that make it super convenient and versatile. And honestly, I've never seen a mic that can adapt so well to different environments, which is awesome because it's perfect for creators on the go who are constantly recording in various settings. And it's one of those tools that work with you, not against you, making the whole shooting experience so much smoother. Personally, I love using the BOYA Magic for my content creation. It's hassle-free to set up and handles a variety of filmmaking situations without needing to swap gear. Now, the price of the BOYA Magic starts at just $72 on Kickstarter. Check it out. I've dropped a link below. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the BOYA Magic? Is it something you'd consider for your content creation? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, if you're looking for other mic options, I've also reviewed a bunch of other BOYA mics and compared them to help you find the best one for your needs. You can check it out right over here. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.